Hey, content creators! Looking for a way to make your videos pop without spending hours editing? Well, I've got the perfect tool for you. Introducing InVideo.io, your new best friend in video creation. Click the link in the description below to get your special offer. So, what's InVideo.io, you ask? This online video editing platform uses AI to help you create stunning videos in minutes. Trust me, it's a game changer. With InVideo.io, you can turn your ideas into reality without breaking a sweat. First off, let's talk about templates. InVideo has over 5,000 templates. Yes, you heard that right, 5,000. From promotional videos to social media content, they've got you covered. The best part? They're super easy to customize. Just drag and drop your media, tweak the text, and boom, you've got a professional-looking video. Now let's chat about the AI tools. InVideo.io's AI can do everything from suggesting templates to automating repetitive tasks. Imagine never having to worry about trimming clips or syncing audio again. It's like having a personal assistant who never takes a coffee break. One of my favorite features has to be the text-to-video option. Just type in your script, and InVideo's AI will generate a video for you. It's perfect for when you need to create content quickly. Plus, the AI even suggests relevant stock footage and music, making the whole process a breeze. Speaking of stock footage, InVideo.io offers access to a vast library of royalty-free media. Whether you need high-quality video clips, images, or music, they've got it all. No more scouring the internet for the perfect shot. InVideo has you covered. Oh, and did I mention the pricing? InVideo offers a free plan with tons of features. But if you want to unlock the full potential, their premium plans are super affordable. Seriously, it's a steal. So, why should you care? Because time is money, and InVideo.io saves you both. It's perfect for YouTubers, marketers, entrepreneurs, and anyone looking to create high-quality videos without the hassle. If you're still on the fence, here's the kicker. InVideo.io offers a 7-day money-back guarantee. Try it out, and if you don't love it, you get your money back. No questions asked. All right, folks, that's it for today's review. If you want to take your video creation game to the next level, click the link in the description below to get your special offer. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy creating!